Looking to level up your home security with crystal clear footage? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best 4K cameras for home security in 2025. Whether you're safeguarding your family, keeping an eye on deliveries, or just want peace of mind, these cameras deliver top-notch clarity, smart features, and reliable performance. From smart detection to color night vision and cloud storage, we've researched the best so you don't have to. Stay tuned to see which one is right for you. And don't forget, product links and more details are waiting for you down in the description, so check those out when you're ready to upgrade your home security. 5. Eufy Security 4G LTE. Experience security without limits with the Eufy 4G LTE Cam S330. Powered by a robust 9,400 mAh battery and an upgraded solar panel, it delivers forever power, ensuring you stay connected and protected anywhere, even off the grid. With dual-mode 4G and Wi-Fi technology, it seamlessly switches between networks, guaranteeing uninterrupted access where traditional cameras fail. The included EIOT Club SIM card enhances connectivity by automatically selecting the strongest signal from major U.S. carriers, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, for reliable cross-network roaming. Capture every detail in stunning 4K color, day or night, with a 100-lumen spotlight that brings vivid clarity up to 26 feet. Plus, enjoy 360-degree coverage with AI tracking that follows people and vehicles with precision, ensuring nothing escapes your view. 4. AOQEE S1. Experience hassle-free home security with our wireless solar security camera, featuring a built-in solar panel for continuous 365-day operation. No tangled wires or frequent recharging needed. Enjoy quick and easy installation by simply pressing the power button and connecting to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not compatible with 5 GHz. Capture crystal clear 2K resolution footage with lifelike detail, and rest assured with full-color night vision powered by an automatic spotlight. Equipped with AI human detection, a built-in siren, and motion-triggered lighting, this camera alerts you instantly to unexpected activity. Store your recordings securely via an optional micro SD card, up to 128 gigabytes, not included, or cloud storage, and view live feeds through Alexa. Communicate in real time using the two-way audio feature. Share access with multiple users and rely on its weatherproof design to keep your property safe, rain or shine. 3. OOSXX C93C11. Experience secure, subscription-free protection with OOSXX's advanced wireless security camera system. With no monthly fees, home-based stores all encrypted recordings locally using 32 gigabytes of storage, enough for up to 2 months of looped video. Even if your cameras are damaged or stolen, your data remains protected. Enjoy innovative features like cross-camera tracking for seamless video reviews, multi-view live streaming from 4 areas on one screen, and one-click control over multiple cameras. The system runs effortlessly with solar power, needing just 3 hours of sunlight a day, even in cloudy conditions. Installation takes just 5 minutes. Benefit from 360-degree auto motion tracking for complete coverage and 2K resolution with enhanced color night vision, powered by 4 LED lights, ensuring your home stays clearly visible day and night. SimpliSafe SS3 AMZ4 Store. SimpliSafe makes home security simple, secure, and ready to go right out of the box. Just plug in the base station and camera, place your sensors, no wiring or drilling needed, and the SimpliSafe app will guide you through setup. Enjoy 1 free month of professional monitoring with fast police response when it matters most, with plans starting at less than $1 a day and no hidden fees. Arm or disarm your system from anywhere with the app, and check in anytime with the SimpliCam, which includes a privacy shutter. Entry sensors guard doors and windows, motion sensors cover full rooms, and the key fob and panic button offer quick, hands-on control and emergency alerts. Even in a power or Wi-Fi outage, the system stays on with backup power and cellular support. SimpliSafe offers serious protection, made simple. OOSXX OSX-POE4K8ch4TB. Stay connected and protected with the OOSXX 4K Ultra HD PoE security camera system, featuring two-way audio that lets you talk with your family anytime, anywhere through the free EC Cloud app on iOS or Android. Share access with up to 4 users to live stream video or enjoy crystal clear conversations in real time. The system is equipped with a 130 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, reducing blind spots and giving you a broader view of your surroundings. Enjoy stunning detail with 4K Ultra HD resolution, 8 megapixels, 3A840 2160, 4 times clearer than standard 1080p. With advanced PIR and smart AI two-way detection, the system filters out false alarms caused by wind, animals, or leaves, sending alerts only for true motion events. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play PoE system, using the included 60 feet network cables to power and connect each camera effortlessly. Monitor your home remotely without monthly fees using the free Honest View app, compatible with smartphones, tablets, and PCs. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 4K cameras for home security. Whether you're looking for advanced motion detection, crystal clear night vision, or smart home integration, there's a camera here to fit your needs and budget. If any of these caught your eye, I've included links to all the products featured in this video down below in the description, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews and home security tips, and let me know in the comments which camera you're leaning toward. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.